girls, you won't believe this. I got 6.5 lakh views in the DIY jeans video. So here I am with the part 2. I took a jeans mom sari, cut it into a 2 meter, 1 meter for each leg. Then I took a glue, some mirror work lace and shells. And also I added a pom-poms. Then I marked a knee length on my jeans. Attach this fabric on the knee length, and this is how it turned out, and it was looking good but it is incomplete. So attach the shells on the pocket line, and it was giving a Navratri vibe. When I placed a mirror work lace like this, it was giving colorful vibes, and by sticking this pom-pom with the help of the glue, it was giving a playful vibe for Garba nights. Then I made some flowers on the top of the jeans using shells and attached the border on the end of the fabric, and this is how it was looking. So comment and tell me how do you like it, and if you need any help, just comment and I will help you.